Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. Dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, money. Look at the board. Here in this lesson we are going to learn how to write rupees and paise using the dot means point. Then convert rupees and paise. Also we are going to see how to do the addition, subtraction and multiplication of rupees and paise. Then finally we are going to apply the knowledge to life skills like shopping and checking the bills. Okay, so let us start the new lesson, that is money. We use money to buy things. We use money to buy things. The money we use in India is rupee and paise. We write, see this symbol. This is a symbol of rupee and P stands for paise. Okay, and our Indian currency is rupee and paisa. Now here 1 rupee is equal to, yes, in the second standard only you have learned this, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, correct. So here you should write 100. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay. Now we use coins and notes as money. See here, we are using nowadays coins and notes as a money. Write the value of these notes and coins. Now I will show you one by one all the coins and notes which we are using nowadays. Okay, and we have to write their values. Now see here, this is the coin of, yes, 50 paisa. See here, this is a coin and here you can see the number 50. It is a coin of 50 paisa and here also it is written paise. Okay, it is a 50 paise and this is the coin. So here we'll write 50 paisa. How will you write 50 paisa? No need to write full word paisa, only you can write 50p because P stands for 50, paisa. P stands for paisa. Next, see the next coin. Yes, what it is? Yes, on the coin only you can see the number 1 and below that it is written rupee. So it is a coin of 1 rupee. It is a coin of 1 rupee. And one thing you have to keep in your mind, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So here write 1 rupee. How will you write 1 rupee? See, this is the symbol of rupee. Okay, rupees 1. Rupee 1. Next coin. See here on the coin you can see the number 2 and here it is written rupees. So it is a coin of 2 rupee. So here we will write rupee 2. Okay, in this way you have to write its value. Next, see what it is? Yes, it is a coin of 5 rupee. Here 5 is written on the coin. Yes, the number 5 is written on the coin. And below that the spelling is there rupees. So it is a coin of 5 rupee. So here we will write rupees 5. Next coin. Yes, what is the value of this next coin? It is a coin of 10 rupee. Why? Because easily you can see on the coin 10 is written. Okay, so it is a coin of 10 rupees. So value of this coin is rupees 10. This was about the coin. Now one by one we will see the notes. See, before many years ago we were using this note. Nowadays we are not using this note. It was note of 1 rupee. Okay, so here we will write rupee 1. Again in the same way only, this was a note of 2 rupees. Nowadays we are not using this currency, 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note and 5 rupee note. Okay, but before few years we were using this type of notes. Then next note, it is a note of 5 rupee. Here on the note you can see the number 5. So this is the 5 rupees note. So write here rupees 5. Then see this note. You all are very familiar with this note. This is the note of 10 rupee. On the note itself the number is written, so easily we can identify the note. Rupees 10. It is a 10 rupees note. Next, see here. Yes, this is the note of 20 rupees. So how will you write here? Rupees 20. Rupees 20. Okay. Next, yes, see this note. This is the note of, yes, 50 rupees. Correct. Here you can see the number 50, and here in the Hindi language it is written 50 rupees, means 50 rupees. So here we will write rupees 50. Then next, currency note. See here, this is the note of, yes, see the number. This is the note of 100 rupees, 100 rupees. Okay, so here write rupees 100. Okay, clear? Okay, now there are two more notes. Before that, once again we will see all the notes and coins once again. Okay, so see here, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Then this is the coin of 50 paisa. So how will you write? 50 P. P stands for paisa. Then this is the coin of rupee 1. This is the coin of rupees 2. Now here, say while writing the value in paisa, you should write P after the value. Okay, and while writing the value in rupees, you should write the symbol before the number. Now this is the coin of rupees 5. So here we will write rupees 5. This is 10 rupees. Again, this is a note of 1 rupee. This is a note of 2 rupees. This is a note of 5 rupees. This is 10 rupees. Then this is 20 rupees. This is 50 rupees. This is 100 rupees. Now here two more notes are there. Okay, here two more notes are there which are new. See here, this is the note of, here you can see the number 500. You can see the number 500. So it is a note of 500. So here we will write rupees 500. Then see the last note. Which number you can see on the note? See, it is a 4-digit number. Yes, read the number. It is a 2000. Correct. It is a note of 2000. So we will write here rupees 2000. Okay, clear about the notes and coins? Okay. Okay, now we will move to the next part. Turn the page. See here, we will take one example now. Malini has one 10 rupees note and one 50 paisa coin. See, Malini has one note of 10 rupees and one coin of 50 paisa. She has 10 rupees. She has 10 rupees and 50 paise. See here, Malini has one note of 10 rupees and one coin of 50 paisa. So she has 10 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, she has 10 rupees and 50 paises. Here you can see one note. She is having one note of 10 rupees and she is having one coin also of 50 paise. So she is having 10 rupees and 50 paise. This is written in figures as, how will you write this? Yes, see here, look at the board. here rupees 10.50. Okay, rupees 10.50 means this shows the rupees. See here, rupees 10 means it is a 10 rupees coin. Oh, sorry, note. Okay, this number shows as rupees, and this after point, this shows the paise. Okay, after point, whatever number is there, that shows us paise. Okay, a dot separate. Dot means this point. See here, point is there, dot is there. The dot separates the rupees from the paise. Here, see here, before the dot, whatever number is there, that means rupees. See here, dot is there. Before dot, whatever the number is there, that means rupees. And after the dot, whatever number is there, that shows us paise. Okay, so a dot separates the rupees from the paise. Only the symbol for rupee is written. Now if you will see this, here you can see only the symbol of rupees. There is no symbol of paise. Okay, why? See here, rupees 10.50. This dot means what? It is a paise. So no need to write again symbol of paisa. Only the symbol for rupee is written. The symbol for paisa is not written. Okay. See here again, how will you write this value? Rupees 10.50. Rupees 10.50. Now 10.50 means rupees 10 and 50 paise. Okay, 10 rupees and 50 paise. So here only the symbol of rupees is written, symbol of paisa is not written. No need to write the symbol of paisa. Okay, only we will write the symbol for rupee. We will not write the symbol for paisa. This dot tells us that after the dot, whatever number is there, that means paise. So no need to write again the symbol for paisa. This dot only tells us that after dot, whatever number is there, that means paisa. Okay. Now here some more examples that given us. We will see one by one. Look at the board here. See the first note. This is the note of 10 rupees. So how will you write this? Rupees 10. How will you write this? Rupees 10. Or else you can write in this way also. In the figure, this symbol stands for rupees. This symbol stands for rupees. Rupees 10. Okay. This symbol stands for rupees. So it is a 10 rupee. Rupees 10. Now see the next. Second number. Here you can see one note is there of 50 rupees and there is one more coin of 50 paisa. So how will you write this? Rupees 50. This is a note of 50 rupees. So here we will write rupees 50 and one more coin is there of 50 paise. So here rupees 50 and 50 paise. Or else there is one more method to write the value in this way also. In the number or in figure also you can write the value. See here rupees 50.50. 50.50. Now 50.50 means this 50 shows us rupees and this 50 shows us paisa. Okay, see this 50 means rupees and this 50 means paisa. Before the dot, whatever number is there, that tells us the value of rupees, and after the dot, whatever number is there, that tells us paise. So it is a rupees 50 and 50 paise means rupees 50.50. Now one more example is there. See here, see this third example. Here you can see 4 coins are there. Okay, now all the 4 coins we have to add the value of its 4 coins. So see the first coin, it is a coin of 10 rupees. Second coin, it is a coin of 5 rupees. Third one, it is a coin of 2 rupees, and fifth one, it is a coin of paise. Okay, so here 3 coins you can see here. These 3 coins are of rupees, and here one coin is there of 50 paise. So what we will do, just we will add these three coins. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2, yes, 15 plus 2, 17, means here rupees 17 and 50 paise, rupees 17 and 50 paise. So here you can read rupees 17 and 50 paise. In the another way, how will you write this? This is the symbol for rupee, rupees 17.50. 50 paisa means 0.50. This 0.50 means what? 50 paise. Clear this? Okay. Now we'll move to the exercise 3.1. Open your textbook, page number 37. Along with me, you have to solve this exercise in your textbook. See here. Exercise 3.1. Question number A. Write the total value in figures. We have to write the total value in figures. See here, first example. See here, in the first example there are two notes. You can see here two notes are there and two coins are there. Okay. Now first of all we will add the rupees. Here 100 rupees note is there. Okay. Then 50 rupees note. Then 10 rupees note, and here 150 paisa coin is there. So here first of all see, this is 100 rupees. Okay. This is 50 rupees and this is 10 rupees and this is 50 paisa. Okay. Now see students, you have to add the same number of unit only. Okay. So here rupees, rupees, rupees. We will add first rupees. Okay. And then we will write paise as it is. Okay. Now here 100 plus 50. Yes, do the addition. Rupees 100 plus rupees 50. 100 plus 50, 150. Okay. Then in that again you have to add 10. 150 plus 10 means 160 rupees. Okay. See, how will you do? 100 rupees note is there and 150 rupees note is there. So first of all you have to add these two numbers, 100 plus 50. 150. Okay. Then in 150 you have to add 10 rupees again. So 150 rupees plus 10 rupees is equal to what? Rupees 160 and 50 paise. Rupees 160 and 50 paise. So how will you write here in the figure? Rupees 160.50. Rupees 160.50. Okay. See here, rupees 160. Here 160 rupees you can see here. 100 plus 50 means 150 plus 10 means rupees 160. Okay. And here one more coin is there of 50 paise. So here you have to give dot or point, and after that you have to write whatever paise is there, that paise you have to write, and no need to write the symbol for paise. Only you have to write rupees 160.50. This point or dot tells us that this is the paise. Okay. How will you write? Rupees 160.50, and in this way only you have to read. Rupees 160.50. Rupees 160 means these are the rupees we have to add. Okay. So here we got the 160 and 0.50 means here 50 paise. One coin is there of 50 paise. So here you have to give dot or point and then write the paise. Okay. Next, in the second example there are three notes. one of 50 rupees, then 20 rupees, then 10 rupees. Okay, and after that 2 coins are there. Okay, see here, rupees 50. This is the note of rupees 50. This is 20 rupees. This is 10 rupees. Okay, and this is coin of 1 rupee and it is a 50 paise. Okay, now what you will do? First of all, you will add all the rupees all together. Okay, you will add all the rupees. See here, 50 rupees plus 20, 50 plus 20. Yes, very easy it is. 50 plus 20, 70. Okay, again in that you have to add 10. 70 rupees plus 10 rupees, 70 plus 10, 80. 80 rupees plus 1. 80 plus 1 rupees, 81. So here we write 81 rupees. Then here 50 paise is there. Okay, 50 paise is there. So what you will do? You will give a dot or point and then we have to write 50. No need to write the symbol for paise. Okay, only you have to write the symbol for rupee. Rupees 81.50. This point means what? This number tells us that it is a paise. Okay, so this is rupees 81.50. Rupees 81.50. Next, third one. See the notes and coins. This is 20. Again here 20 rupees note. 20 plus 20. Then here 10 rupees note. Then see the coins. Yes, which coins are there? 2, 2 and 1. This is a coin of 2 rupees. This is also 2 and 1 rupee coin is there. Okay, now see here, if you will see these numbers or currency, all are in rupees only. Okay, all are in rupees. Here paise is not there, so we will add all the rupees. Now 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. Again add 2. 52 plus 2, 54. And in that again you have to add 1 rupee. 54 plus 1, 55. So here what you will write? Rupees 55. Okay. Next, last one. See the last example. Here 1 rupee note is there of 500. Okay, 500. So I write here rupees 500. Then this is the note of 100. Then yes, it is a coin of 5 rupees. Then see the second number coin, what it is? 2 rupees. Okay, it is a coin of 2 rupees and this is 50 paise. Okay, now see what we will do. First of all, you will add all the rupees. Okay, so here 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100, 600 plus 5, 605 plus 2, 7. So rupees 607. Then you have to give 1 dot because here 50 paise is there. So after dot you will write 50. So what is the value of this? Rupees 607.50. Okay, clear the question number A. Okay, now we'll solve the question number B. See question, read the question. B question, write in figures. Now here we have to write this value in the figure. Read the first one, rupees 5 and 60 paise. Rupees 5 and 60 paise. Rupees 5, how will you write rupees 5? Yes, this is a symbol of rupee. Rupees 5 and 50 paise. And 50 paise. Now we have to write the paise. So what you have to do? Just you have to give dot or point. So rupees 5.60 paise. No need to give a symbol of paise. Okay, rupees 5.60. Next, second number, rupees 15 and 10 paise. Rupees 15. Write first rupees 15. Rupees 15. Very easy. First of all, we'll write rupees. Rupees 15. In this way, you will write rupees 15 and 10 paise. Okay. Now, what you will give? You will give a dot and then 10 paise. Just write 10. So, it is a 15 rupees 10 paise. Okay. Next, third one. Rupees 100 and 1 paise. Rupees 100 and 1 paise. First of all, we will write rupees 100. Rupees 100. Then what it is? And 1 paise. And 1 paise. Now we have to write the paise. So what you will go? Give. You will give 1 dot or point. Okay. Then you have to write 1 paise. So here we will write 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1, or else you can write only 1 also. Last one, fourth one, rupees 11 and 9 paise. See here, rupees 11. So first we will write rupees 11 and 9 paise. So here we will give dot and 0, 9 means rupees 11.9. Okay. Now turn the page. See the fifth number. Rupees 70. How will you write rupees 70? Here only rupees 70. Okay. Next, rupees 16 and 16 paise. So write first rupees 16, then give dot and then 16 paise. Next, 90 paise. Now see here, no rupees are there. Okay. Means 0 rupees are there. So what we will write? Rupees 0.90, because here only paise is there. So what we will write? Rupees 0.90. Then last one, here 8 paise means again rupees 0.8. In this way you can solve the B question. Now student, in this exercise one more question is there. That is last question. Question number C, write in words. Now they had given us the value in figures. Okay. Now we have to write this value in the words. How will you write? See the first example. Rupees 25.25. Rupees 25.25 means what? This is rupees 25. So we'll write in the words rupees. You have to write the spelling. In words means what? You have to write the spelling. Rupees 25. First we'll write rupees. Rupees 25. Then what it is? Here point is there, dot is there. Means we have to write and. Because after dot, whatever number is there, that means paise. How many paises are there? 0.50 means 25. So and 25 paise. In this way you can write in words. Next, read this. Rupees 6.80. Rupees 6.80. So first we'll write rupees. How many rupees are there? Rupees 6. So write rupees 6. Then point is there. So what we will write? And. And how many paises are there? 80. So here and 80 paise. Okay. Next, third one. Rupees 10.1. Rupees 10.1. So write first rupees. How many rupees are there? Yes, rupees 10. So we'll write here rupees 10. Then point is there. Okay. So we'll write and. Then how many paises are there? 1, only 1 paise is there. Okay, so what we will write? Rupees 10 and 1 paise. Okay, clear? Okay, now see the last example. Rupees 100.5. Rupees 100.5. How many rupees are there? Yes, how many rupees are there? 100. Okay, so write first rupees 100. Then point is there, so we'll write and, because after point whatever number is there to the right side of the point, that number tells us that are the paises. So rupees 100 and 5 paise. How many paises are there? 5. So we'll write in this way, rupees 100 and 5 paise. Okay, clear how to write in the words and how to write in the figures. Okay, so students, today we have started our new lesson, that is money. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, and after that we have solved exercise 3.1. In the next session we will see the next part. Till that time, take care. Thank you.